And looking at the car wash, and what is this?
No need vacuum.
Just try one. This is expensive. Don't clean as well as Johnny. But I just want to frighten you. Down. Oh. So.
We are in the car wash. Look at Yin's expression. Yin is scared.
Okay. Papa carry, okay? Okay, it's okay. You see? It's okay, right? It's okay, right? It's okay. See? Sit down.
Do you know what Papa said just now? Papa said, want to bring you into a car wash because of frighten Yin.
It's okay. Don't worry. Papa is here, okay? Oh, look at the brush. Look at the brush.
And then Mommy said,
You look, coming.
first the
See?
car wash.
See, coming. See? It's okay. See? Okay, touch. Okay. Papa carry you. Papa, don't worry, okay? Papa is here. Don't worry. Okay, Auntie Johnny carry you, Auntie. Auntie Johnny carry you. Go, Auntie Johnny carry you. Don't worry. Okay, don't worry, okay? Okay, no problem.
This Papa is very naughty.
Okay. No problem. See? Guys, clean. Water. Okay, suck a thumb. Okay, suck a thumb, okay? No problem. See, no more.
This Papa so happy.
No more. You see, no more. Just water, that's all.
Dry.
No more already. Just water.
See, Papa's cunning smile.
See? Water, that's all. It's just water, you see? Water, it's okay. Okay. No problem. Nothing to be afraid of. Papa spent $4.50 to frighten you.
So you see, Papa admit already. Must remember, okay? Papa admit.
Tip it down. You just win, that's all. I see win. Nothing different. Okay, nothing.
So next time when you're older, you can frighten Papa.
Suck a thumb. It's okay. Suck a thumb, no problem. No more. No more already. No more. We're going home, okay? Right here. No problem, okay? No problem. No more. Okay, I think she's really frightened. Okay, no more. Heartbeat's very fast. No more. Okay, no more. Okay. No more. Mommy head is tired also. Okay. Me and my daddy too. Okay, no more. Do that. No more. No more. Okay, Mommy is going to drive it out, okay? Okay, stop. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye, okay? Okay. See? Okay. No more. Okay, come, Papa. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, come. Let's see.